Hi guys, welcome back. So on Saturday we usually have pilau, but today I think I'll make some shrimp fried rice. That's what I feel like eating. But first, I'm gonna pour myself a glass of something to drink. And since we are no longer indulging in something, I think I'll take some kombucha. So I think you remember, guys, in the last vlog, I got this kombucha. So I've already taken two, and I'm about to open one. I'm having the cucumber and mint. So let's see how that tastes. I usually like to have my kombucha in a wine glass so that I can, just for vibes, right? Yeah. Ooh, guys, I made a mistake. I shook that kombucha and I knew I shouldn't have done that. So it's a mess. I need to wait for it to settle down and clear this mess. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Don't shake your kombucha. This is a rookie mistake. Ugh, such a mess. Okay, let's try this one more time. I don't know whether it has settled now. I feel like it has settled. Let's try this one more time. Guys, please don't shake your kombucha before opening. Don't be like me. So I'm just going to open it slowly. Let the air out really slow. Guys, it looks like it hasn't settled. So what I'm going to do, I'll leave it in the fridge. I'll put it back. I'll put it back in the fridge and close it tight for it to settle. I don't know whether that's the right thing to do. And then we'll try again another day. And then I'll pick another flavor. So I've decided to go with the lemon and ginger. This one feels like it might be too spicy, but the point is for me to try all of them and decide which one I like. So let's give it a try. Oh, it's actually not too bad. So now let's get cooking. dinner is ready. I want to try it. I'm still sipping on my kombucha. This is so surprising, actually. This lemon and ginger kombucha is probably going to be my favorite. I really liked the apple and cinnamon one. I thought my favorite would be the pineapple one. I think it was pineapple ginger. Was it pineapple and ginger? But so far, lemon and ginger, number one, followed by apple cinnamon, and then pineapple. So guys, I want to serve a little bit. Actually, I just want to do a taste test. I just want to do a taste test. This recipe, I didn't copy it from anywhere. It's from my head. I just put spices that I like. So don't come in the comment section telling me, oh, that's not how you cook shrimp fried rice. This is my recipe, Eva's recipe, Eva's shrimp fried rice recipe. And you can adjust the ingredients or the spices as, you know, to suit your liking or to fit how you like your stuff or to suit your taste, basically. And then what I also wanted to say is that you can also add some chicken. You can dice up some chicken, bits and pieces of chicken, and add into the rice in case you want some more protein. Like me, because I'm trying to up my protein game, I would probably add some chicken into it. So let's do a taste test and see. Okay. Get a fork. You can also, I love, 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 love dania. Dania is cilantro or parsley. No. Actually, dania is cilantro. Parsley is not the same as cilantro. So dania, you can add some cilantro or coriander. I think cilantro, coriander, dania, they mean the same thing. You can add that. I really like it. I actually have some. I think I'll dice up and sprinkle on top. But this is how it looks, guys. It's nice and dark. The soy sauce I used was a dark soy. I actually do not like the dark soy. I prefer medium, but it's what I had, so I used it. So let's give it a taste. Bon appetit. Mm. It's very flavorful. The peppers that I added at the end are still crunchy, which I like. So I'm sure the people in my household will enjoy this. It's quite a big portion. So this will probably last us tonight and maybe tomorrow lunch. But I think for now, I'm going to pause the video here. I'll probably pick it up tomorrow. But for now, let me enjoy my rice and get ready for bed.